Clean tape. It is an irrigation tapes cleaner with a dose of 3 to 5 liters per hectare. With its properties, gets rid of the walls that are formed with carbonates, sulfates, and fertilizer salts without the need to clean them the next day, and moistens the irrigation tape, giving it more life. The technical recommendations is to dissolve 3 to 5 liters with clean tape. Apply in the last watering of the day in the last 20 minutes and verify that the product remains in the irrigation tapes all night.